A recent study of open-source developers using new AI coding tools revealed a sharp disconnect. The developers believed their output had increased by 20%, but the measured reality was that their work actually slowed down by that same margin. This failure stems from a narrow assumption that AI's primary value is acting as a high-speed typewriter for generating lines of code. Writing code is only one fragment of the process. A functional lifecycle requires synthesizing requirements, mapping system architecture, and managing the transition from testing to live operations. If you accelerate an isolated task without addressing the steps that surround it, you don't produce software faster. You simply expose the structural flaws in the rest of the chain. This workflow diagram shows where the time actually goes. The vast majority of a developer's week is spent in these choke points, waiting for product managers to clarify a story or for QA teams to return test results. These teams are often stalled by fragmented tools and manual handoffs. The logic used in the design phase doesn't always translate cleanly into the testing environment, creating constant friction. When you use AI to write code 3 times faster, you intensify this pressure. Without changing the surrounding stages, that surge of data creates a massive pileup of unreviewed code that jams the testing and quality assurance nodes. Optimizing a phase that isn't the primary bottleneck makes the overall system less stable. To realize the gains promised by AI, the entire lifecycle must be built to handle the volume that agents produce. Most teams fall into a delegation trap. At one extreme is over-delegation, where a human asks a frontier model to autonomously build a complex system from a single, vague prompt. Because the model is forced to guess at thousands of unstated architectural decisions,